Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer data from OneDrive to Google Drive, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer data from OneDrive to Google Drive, begin by logging into your OneDrive account. Navigate to the files or folders you wish to transfer. Select the files or folders by clicking the checkboxes next to them. Once selected, click on the download button to save the files to your device. Choose a location on your computer where the downloaded files will be stored. Wait for the download process to complete before moving to the next step. Now open a new tab in your web browser and log into your Google Drive account. In Google Drive, locate the My Drive section. Click on the plus new button, usually found on the left side of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select File Upload or Folder Upload depending on what you downloaded. Browse to the location where you saved your OneDrive files. Select the files or folder you wish to upload to Google Drive. Click on the Open or Upload button to start the upload process. Monitor the status of the upload in the lower right corner of the Google Drive interface. Once the upload is complete, verify that all files have been transferred successfully. If you have a large amount of data, consider organizing files into folders for easier management. You can now access your OneDrive files directly from Google Drive, completing the transfer process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.